Sleep. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. Every night our bodies and minds require this essential downtime to rejuvenate and repair. Just like eating, drinking, and breathing, sleep is fundamental for our survival. Without it, our bodies can't function properly. It's the bedrock upon which our physical and mental health are built. A good night's sleep helps us wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. We can't thrive without it. Lack of sleep leaves us feeling groggy, irritable, and unable to concentrate. Depriving ourselves of sleep has serious consequences. It impacts our mood, making us more prone to stress and emotional instability. Our ability to think clearly and make decisions is compromised, leading to mistakes and decreased productivity. And even our physical well-being suffers. Our immune system weakens, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of serious health problems, including heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, and diabetes. These conditions can have long-term effects on our quality of life. Simply put, sleep is non-negotiable for a healthy and fulfilling life. Prioritizing sleep can lead to improved mood, better cognitive function, and overall well-being. It's time to prioritize sleep and unlock its transformative power. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring a comfortable sleep environment are key steps to achieving the rest we need. Incorporating calming activities like reading or meditating before bed can signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down. Reducing screen time and dimming the lights can also help prepare our minds for sleep. By making sleep a priority, we can enhance our health, boost our happiness, and live life to the fullest. When we sleep, our bodies and minds are hard at work, repairing and rejuvenating. Sleep impacts every system in our body. It bolsters our immune system, helping us fight off infections and stay healthy.
Sleep also plays a crucial role in memory consolidation. During sleep, our brains process information learned during the day, transferring it to long-term memory. This makes sleep essential for learning and cognitive function. Furthermore, sleep regulates our mood and emotional well-being. Sufficient sleep promotes emotional stability, while sleep deprivation can lead to irritability, anxiety, and even depression.
Creating the right sleep environment is crucial for quality rest. A well-designed sleep sanctuary can significantly improve the quality of your sleep and overall well-being. Your bedroom should be a haven of peace and tranquility. This means choosing calming colors, soft lighting, and a layout that promotes relaxation. Start by ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Darkness signals your body that it's time to rest, while a quiet environment minimizes disruptions. These factors promote relaxation and prepare your body for sleep. A cool room, ideally between 60–67 degrees Fahrenheit, can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that provide proper support. The right mattress can alleviate pressure points and reduce discomfort, while supportive pillows keep your spine aligned. Your bedding should be breathable and inviting. Opt for natural fabrics like cotton or linen, which help regulate your body temperature throughout the night. Consider using blackout curtains to block out any unwanted light. This can be especially helpful if you live in an area with a lot of street lights, or if you need to sleep during the day. Minimize distractions in your bedroom. A clutter-free space can reduce stress and create a more serene environment. Avoid watching television or working in bed. These activities can stimulate your mind and make it harder to wind down. Reserve your bedroom primarily for sleep and intimacy. This helps create a strong mental association between your bed and restful sleep. This will help strengthen the association between your bed and sleep. Over time, your body will learn to recognize your bedroom as a place for rest, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep.
Our bodies thrive on routine. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, helps regulate your natural sleep-wake cycle or circadian rhythm. This promotes more restful sleep. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time each day. This helps synchronize your internal clock with the rising and setting of the sun. Consistency is key. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These substances can interfere with your sleep patterns and prevent restful sleep.
Section 5. The detriments of screens on sleep. In today's digital age, screens are an integral part of our daily lives. From smartphones to tablets and computers, we are constantly surrounded by electronic devices. The blue light emitted from these devices can disrupt our sleep patterns significantly. This blue light is particularly harmful because it mimics daylight, tricking our brains into thinking it's still daytime. This blue light suppresses melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin is crucial for signaling to our bodies that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. It's important to limit screen time at least an hour before bed. By doing so, you allow your body to produce melatonin naturally, helping you fall asleep more easily and enjoy a restful night. The blue light emitted from these devices can interfere with your body's natural production of melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. This can lead to a cycle of poor sleep quality and daytime fatigue. If you must use electronic devices before bed, consider using blue light filtering glasses or apps. These tools can help mitigate the impact of blue light on your sleep. These can help reduce your exposure to blue light and make it easier to fall asleep. Additionally, setting your devices to night mode can also reduce blue light emission. Remember, a good night's sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Prioritize your sleep by managing your screen time effectively.
Section 6. Common sleep disorders and their impact. Millions of people suffer from sleep disorders that prevent them from getting restful sleep. Insomnia, characterized by difficulty falling or staying asleep, is one of the most common sleep disorders. Sleep apnea, another common disorder, causes repeated pauses in breathing during sleep. This can lead to loud snoring and daytime sleepiness. Other sleep disorders include restless leg syndrome, narcolepsy, and circadian rhythm disorders. These disorders can have a significant impact on quality of life. Section 7. Seeking professional help for sleep issues. If you're struggling with chronic sleep problems, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. They can help determine the underlying cause of your sleep issues and recommend appropriate treatment options. A healthcare professional can assess your sleep patterns, medical history, and lifestyle factors to identify any underlying medical conditions or sleep disorders. They can recommend lifestyle changes, therapy, or medication if necessary. Don't suffer in silence. Seeking professional help is crucial for addressing sleep problems and improving your overall health and well-being.
Section 8. Natural sleep aids and their limitations. While there are various natural sleep aids available, it's crucial to approach them with caution. Some herbal remedies like chamomile tea or valerian root may promote relaxation and improve sleep quality for some individuals. However, the effectiveness of these natural remedies can vary widely. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional before trying any new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Remember, natural doesn't always equal safe. Some herbal remedies can interact with medications or have unintended side effects.
Section 9. Prioritizing sleep for optimal health. Sleep is not a luxury. It's an essential pillar of overall health and well-being. Prioritizing sleep is one of the most important investments you can make in your physical, mental, and emotional health. By adopting healthy sleep habits, creating a relaxing sleep environment, and seeking professional help when needed, you can unlock the transformative power of sleep. Make sleep a priority in your life. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Section 10. A final word on the power of sleep. Sleep is not a weakness. It's not something to be minimized or sacrificed. It's a fundamental human need that deserves our attention and respect. When we prioritize sleep, we unlock a world of benefits. We enhance our cognitive function, boost our mood, strengthen our immune system, and reduce our risk of serious health problems. Embrace the power of sleep. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Your health and well-being depend on it.